What's up, guys? Dr. Caldwell here. I'm here with Emma. We're going to show you what an adjustment looks like. Emma's had a lot of shoulder pain, a lot of neck pain, and she's been so kind to allow us to film her. But we're going to do this. So Emma, go ahead and lay face down. We have Emma's x-rays here on my computer. She's got a few different areas that I'll kind of go over as we adjust them. The first place with her in her upper back, she's got a little bit of a bend to the left side of her upper back, which the nerves that come out of here also go to her heart, her lungs, her traps, all kinds of different places. So Emma, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, take a breath in for me. Exhale. Very good, very good. Okay. All right, now we're going to move to her lower back, which she has a bend going the opposite direction. Now the nerves in her lower back control her low back muscles, her legs, also her intestines, digestive, reproductive, all that kind of stuff. So Emma, I'm going to have you turn this way. Face me on your side, please.
Okay.
And as much as it seems scary and cracky, it's not painful. So people think a lot of times, does it ever hurt you, Emma?
Nope.
No. So it's not a painful process. Good. Good. Perfect, Emma. Other side. All right. Now, since her spine bends to the right a little higher in her lower back, we're going to move up just a little bit. To you guys, it looks like the same move, but I'm actually going a little bit further up her spine. And the nerves that come out of here go a little more into the kidneys, adrenal glands, other important areas aside from just muscle tissue. And then we've got a couple more. Now this is going to look a little bit like a Chuck Norris movie, but I promise you it's not going to hurt her at all. We adjust children, elderly. It's perfectly safe. Relax your neck right there, Emma. Good. Does sound like a bag of popcorn, but I promise you, nothing is cracking, breaking, fraying, any of that. How did that feel?
Good.
Feel good? We got one last one. This is your favorite. Little sit-up for me. Put this forward right under here. This one might be a little tricky to get on camera. This is one of my favorite moves for shoulder problems, which most people, if you sit at a desk, end up having. All right, take a breath in for me. Exhale. Perfect, perfect. Did we get all the sound? Because that's the best part. Okay, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Look forward to a lot more, and we'll see you guys soon. Thank you, Emma, so much. Bye-bye.